I'm Nevada Governor Brian Sandoval. I'm truly honored my colleagues have chosen me to be the incoming chair of the National Governors Association. The National Governors Association, or NGA, is the bipartisan association of the nation's governors. Governing a state is a lot like being the CEO of a major company. It requires sound judgment while juggling many responsibilities: developing a budget, driving a legislative agenda, ensuring the efficient delivery of services to constituents, providing leadership in moments of crises, and much more. Each chair develops a year-long initiative to focus their efforts on. The topic I have chosen is not only relevant, it affects every aspect of citizens' lives and states' economies. I'm thrilled to announce my chair's initiative, Ahead of the Curve, Innovation Governors. Will highlight technology and how governors and those we govern can stay one step ahead in this rapidly changing world. New digital and advanced technologies are transforming our way of life and altering the ways businesses and industries operate. From how we heat and cool our buildings to the cars we drive, or those that drive themselves, we are witnessing what some have declared the fourth industrial revolution. Given the implication for states, citizens, and economies, my fellow governors and I are looking for fresh ideas on how to take proactive measures, from partnerships and enact policies that can foster new technologies and tackle the challenges these technologies sometimes present. The initiative will examine how we can better prepare for the ongoing technological transformation of the economy through 6 actions. First, support technology transformation. Second, modernize policy and regulatory processes. Third, prepare and educate the workforce. Fourth, update communications and data systems. Fifth, protect systems from cyber threats. And last, inform citizens about benefits and risks. Ahead of the Curve will have 2 focus areas: energy and transportation. It will examine changes in those 2 areas which I have seen making big impacts to the economy and quality of life in my home state of Nevada. For energy, advances in storage, renewable energy, efficiency, energy management, microgrids, and smart grid communication are all part of an energy revolution that holds promise for lowering costs and improving performance. It is absolutely paramount that we learn as much as we can on these issues and how new energy technology can advance alongside new and current sources. When it comes to transportation, technologies such as drones, electric vehicles, autonomous vehicles, and ride-sharing are reshaping the movement of people and goods with potential upsides for better safety, mobility, and accessibility, not to mention convenience. I'm confident we can craft cutting-edge policies that will make the transportation transition a smooth one. Of course, we will also examine technology and innovation's impact on other sectors such as health, education, and public safety. And finally, we will consider disruptive technology's effects on economic development in our states and how we as governors can use it to our advantage. The overall aim of my chair's initiative will be for governors to become aware of the technological changes happening in the world and of the opportunities to support innovation and provide support for the transformation that meets their policy goals. To do that, we will provide governors and state teams with the resources necessary to develop a roadmap for policy efforts based on expert ideas and peer-to-peer sharing, and to share success stories and showcase technologies and policy solutions. There will also be 2 innovation summits designed to educate state officials on key topics and identify action steps regarding emerging issues in energy and transportation. We'll be spotlighting issues further through podcasts and videos. Thank you, and remember, all roads lead to innovation, so let's join together as governors to stay ahead of the curve.